Hi friends and welcome. Today I'm making a pot of chili and I thought I would bring you along and show you how I make it. Now normally I cook from scratch, but I did work out the measurements for the ingredients, and so I'll give you those as we go along. Now in the pan here I have 1.5 pounds of ground beef, and to that I've added a 1/2 tablespoon of salt and a 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper. And then I'll be adding a pint, or 1/2 pint, I'll be adding a 1/2 pint of water, and I'm just pouring that in. And then I'm going to stir this up and cook this on medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. And I want to break up all those pieces of meat. We don't like big chunks of hamburger in our chili, but if you like it that way, that's fine, as long as you get it nice and done. And so I'm going to move over here now and show you the ingredients that you'll need after your ground beef cooks. So in this little bowl I have 2 teaspoons of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. And in this one, I have about 6 teaspoons of chili powder. Then over here, I have a large green pepper chopped up. Then I have a large onion chopped up. And in this bowl, I have a 14.5 ounce can of petite diced tomatoes and a 10-ounce can of diced tomatoes and green chilies. And I just mixed them together there in that bowl. And over here in this bowl, I have 2 cans of chili beans drained, and I have 1 15-ounce can of pinto beans undrained. Now you can see here that the ground beef has cooked and it's nice and brown. It's not pink anymore. And I let it cook for about 20 minutes. And so we are ready to add some more ingredients now. Now here I'm adding 2 cups of tomato sauce. And this is ready to add the rest of the ingredients now. I'm just giving this a little stir, and then I will add the spices and the rest of the ingredients, and I'll let it cook on low heat for about, probably about an hour. You want this to cook really slow. That's what makes a good chili. And so when the chili gets done and we're ready to have our supper, then I'll bring you back and show you. Okay, our chili is done now, and it's been cooking a little over an hour on just low heat, and it smells so good. And we're going to have supper in a little bit. You can see here those ingredients in there, the peppers and the onions, and this makes a really good chili. So anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching, and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And until the next time, you guys be blessed and happy trails.